Hello there, Aquarius. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love guidance and spiritual messages. And this is going to be for May 16th through the 31st. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate that. And if you are new, I hope that you resonate with this. If you do, hit the thumbs up button. If you guys like this, also drop a comment down below if you want to, and subscribe to the channel. Please hit that subscribe button. All right, so Aquarius, we're going to go over two aspects of a connection that you may have with a love interest during this specific time frame. We're going to look at how you both feel and how you both see each other. That is all we're going to cover here, but I do have an extended version of this, so check out the description box down below for the link to the extended video. In the extended video, you will have exclusive access to the second part of this, and you can watch it as many times as you like. So check that out, you guys, if you're interested in getting that. Okay, so Aquarius, let's jump in and let's go ahead and talk about how you both are feeling about each other, you and a love interest, okay? May 16th through the 31st. So Aquarius, you could be feeling lonely without this person around, or you're having to go about things alone. And it is a difference because some of you are at a physical distance, or some of you are dealing with an emotional distance. Okay, so it could be physical distance where you're lonely without this person, or emotional where you're having to do things on your own because maybe this person is just kind of like being, a little different during this time. But you are some kind of way feeling separate from them. Maybe they're leaving you out of things. Maybe they're not including you in certain things. Maybe they're not telling you certain things. But even though this is happening, a lot of you still know that the connection that you have with this person is still alive. It's still there despite any type of distance. You know that this connection is still moving how it's supposed to move. So this gives you a confidence at this time that things are going to be okay, despite the distance, physically or emotionally. Your person of interest and how they feel. This person is very, very, very to themselves right now. It is not really toward you. But what's happening is that this person's not talking to really anyone about anything dealing with you anymore. Because what's happening is that your person has realized that the more they do this, the more conflict arises around them. So that's what's going on. This person just feels the need to keep things very, very private or on the hush about personal things. And when it comes to the topic of you, that's something that this person considers personal to them. So they are not trying to have people in their business or your business anymore. They want to show you more respect. They want to give you the kind of space and privacy now that they feel you really do deserve. This person had learned that the more they talked about you or said certain things about you, that this was creating a whole image surrounding you, like a reputation for you. And people that don't know you as the ways that this person was telling them. And this has finally caught up to this person. And now they finally realize that things that they have said has created certain reactions towards you from certain people, even strangers, all because of what they had said. So this person really values your space and privacy at this time. And so that's why they could be distant, because of what they're noticing about them opening their mouth to people and what has played out as a result. So this person is leaving people to now guess what's going on with you two. They don't want people to know exactly what's going on with you. They just want everyone to guess. They don't want people in their business about you. They want to keep what's sacred, sacred, or keep what is real, real. Okay? Now, how do you see this person? Some of you could be dealing with an earth sign, a Virgo, Capricorn, or a Taurus, sun, moon, or rising person. This person has strong earth in their chart. Some of you may look at this person as someone who watches over you a lot. They're very protective of you. You could be any age. You could come from any kind of background. This could be any kind of love interest. But there's something about this person where deep down inside, you can see that they just want to protect you. It's like a protective energy, like a guardian, if that makes sense. Like a person who feels it is their responsibility and duty to protect you. So this goes back to this person's inner child wounds, and it could be both of your inner child wounds. I get a sense that maybe this person has had issues with their mother, and they were very protective of their mother, so they're very protective of you. And I get a sense that some of you Aquarians had issues with your father, and so therefore you may be very protective of them. Okay. So it really just depends. Like if you are a female dealing with a male, then this man is very protective of you because of the void that he's trying to fill in his life from early childhood or his adolescence, where he didn't have that kind of relationship with his mom. So he's very protective of you. If you're dealing with a male, then he didn't have that kind of relationship with his father. So he's very protective. But so, it really just depends on who you're dealing with. But both of you, I feel there's something about your inner child that comes up in this connection, especially with this person. They're very protective of you. Some of you may be dealing with someone who has a lot of power. This is a very powerful individual in society. They could be something like a head of state, a teacher, a politician, a lawyer, a doctor, a spiritual healer, or at the highest level in a particular organization. So for some of you, it's going to be more technical, practical, everyday, normal jobs. And this person could be like a manager or a CEO, a president of a company, that kind of thing. For others of you, this is someone bigger. This is someone with real fame or someone with real wealth. For others of you, this is someone who is even bigger than that. This could be some type of world leader, that kind of thing. So whoever it is, they're someone in a position of some type of authority wherever they are. Okay, but you see this person as someone who radiates warmth and nurturing toward you, though. So even though this is someone who's very powerful or has a name for their self, or maybe someone who is in a position where they're not always able to be showing emotions, or they can't really express their creativity as much, or possibly they don't communicate with a lot of people. But when it comes to you, Aquarius, this is someone who radiates that warmth and nurturing with you and for you, toward you. Like they actually love you and they show you all of these amazing things, but other people don't see it. Okay. And so I think that this is someone who is very wise. They have a lot of wisdom. They have a lot of meaning and purpose for being in your life. And they can also come through and offer you wisdom too, whenever they feel you need it, because they protect you like a father. I'm telling you, this person protects you like a father. This person protects you and your energy and your life, and they really look after you. They really watch over your life. They are always looking after you, making sure you are okay, always. So you're going to see this person in this energy for a while, for the rest, almost like the rest of the year. So starting in Cancer season, which is the season of the psychic mother, sign of Cancer, you're going to see that this person becomes that way. Highly intuitive, very psychic, and mothering, nurturing. They're going to come across that way to you in so many ways. And this is going to last possibly until Capricorn season, which is January 2024. This person is going to be in a very, very protective energy of you. This person is someone who they treasure their deepest friendships. And if this is a friend to you, then they treasure the kind of friendship that they have with you. For others of you, this can be more like they will have really their close friends even watching over you too. Their close friends, they're going to have them spying on you. They're going to have them talking to you, making sure you're okay, making sure you're good, making sure that you don't need anything. They're sending people your way, I feel, to protect you and watch over you. This person also is someone who you see as like, even this person goes as far as thanking your parents and your family for raising you or for birthing you. Like, this person is extremely happy and thankful that you are here, that you were born. Like, this person sees you as, they're just so thankful to have you by their side. They're so thankful to have you by their side. They're so thankful to know you. They appreciate who you are. This is the person who does. No matter if anybody else doesn't feel that way about you, Aquarius, they appreciate you. They want to make you feel good. They want to put you in the spotlight. Okay. So this person is, he's just like an overall humanitarian kind of person. They just, I'm getting philanthropy here. Maybe this person wants to, maybe they're all about charity work, or they just have that type of energy, I feel, where they want to do something more, but they start with you. Like, they pour their love onto you, and they know you're going to do something good with it, if that makes sense. Now, how does this person see you? Okay. So that's how you see them. How do they see you? Some of you are strong fire energy. You have a lot of fire in your chart. You have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Moon arising for a lot of you, or Venus, Aries, Leo, Sag, either way. But this person sees you as being a guide. So here we have a connection of the guardian and the guide. So they see you as being someone who can guide them. Okay, like, they look up to you. They look up to you, and they see you as their guide. They come to you for, when they want to know something, they're going to ask you. When they are lost, they know you're going to help them get found. They come to you. They know that you know the right way to go. They know that you know what to do, that kind of thing. They also see you as a guide to other people as well. Like, they know that if people come to you, you can help people. You can help guide people in the right direction. And it could be because of what you do for a living. That's what I'm getting. For a lot of you, it's because of what you do for a living. They may know that people come to you because of the role you're in. That's what I'm getting here. So you could be a manager too. You could be a teacher. You could be, you could have people who need your assistance in that kind of thing because of the job title. And that's what I'm getting here. But for others of you, and this is, like I said, it's going to always be, keep in mind, like, as you're watching my work, it's always two groups. It's going to be a group that's regular, like normal people, and then there's going to be a group of famous or celebrities or people who are bigger in society. That's another group. So you're going to have to filter out messages as they relate to your real life. Okay. But what I'm getting here is that this person sees you as their muse. Okay. Because you guide them, you're their muse. You inspire everything that they do. They also know that you inspire other people. And so but the only thing is that this person is always so inspired by everything that you do, and you're such an amazing person to them, Aquarius. But they never know when you're going to arrive or leave. They never know, like, how long you're going to stay around, or how long you're going to be in a positive energy, or like, they never know, like, if you live with this person or around this person, they never know when you're coming back home, or when you're going to leave home. It's like sporadic. Maybe you're the kind of person that likes to be on the go. You always find something to do, and so you're always just on the go. It could be about that, or it could be that this person feels like every time they get on good terms with you and things start working out, you're around, you're there, but then they don't know when you're going to leave again. They don't know when you're going to take your energy away from them again. Okay, so they're stuck in that energy of not knowing if you're going to stay around or not. But they do see you as their muse. You are highly inspirational to them. You bring them a spark of creativity, and you help this person tap into their higher imagination. You being you, it makes this person think of so many fantasies and different things that play out in their mind, different stories that play out in their head about the connection, about the love, about their future, their career. You help guide and motivate, this person. You just have more to offer when it comes to creativity and inspiration. You, I feel, make this person feel like it is time, like it's time to follow their inner guide. For them, you're their inner guide, you're their heart. So they need to follow their heart and just go ahead and be with you, okay? Because this love interest, I feel they want to be with you because you inspire them so much, okay? You have an inventive way of thinking that they absolutely love. So they feel like you should just, at this time, just relish in this spotlight that you're in. Be playful, dance while you're in the spotlight, sing a good song. Some of you could be becoming famous. Some of you are singers, dancers, actors, actresses. Some of you are meant to be famous, meant to be in Hollywood, or meant to be in California. Some of you are meant to have fame or have money. Some of you are meant for this. And like I said, this is that second group I'm talking about, I feel. But it can be normal. It can be, everyday people who live everyday lives as well, especially if you are a highly creative person. Some of you are not, and that's okay. It's, like I said, weed the messages out. But this person still wants to put you in some type of spotlight because you inspire so many people. You inspire them. Some of you have a position where you inspire a lot of people. Maybe you are a world leader. Maybe you are just maybe you have a big business and you are a big shot entrepreneur. Okay, so it can be that, but this person wants you to let your artistic gifts blossom because this person wants you to lead your life at this time. You have a creative spirit where they feel like it's your time. It's your time to shine, and they're encouraging you to just shine because you're going to be able to guide so many people with how you use your mind and how you create things for your life. And I mean, I'm getting inspired just by talking about this, Aquarius. So yeah, guys, there's more. I want to go more into love and things like that with this individual and kind of go a little bit deeper. So if you're interested in getting the extended, do check that out. Thanks. God bless.